What's up guys, Ziovo here and welcome to a brand new video on the channel. Now in today's video, I am going to be showing you guys 5 different ways you can make $10 a day. Now all of these methods are very different. Some of them involve websites, some of them are requiring apps. You can do, writing, or you can do surveys. There's 5 completely different methods that you can use, and you can make about $10 a day with a couple hours of work on these different applications. But if you put in more work, you can make even more money. And these are for people that maybe don't have a job, or you have a few extra hours over the summer and you're saving up for something small like a video game. These are the perfect ways you can make some extra money this summer. Now with that being said, make sure you hit that like button down below and let's get started. So I'm going to get over the most basic method first, which is going to be through flipping different objects. Basically, flipping means that you buy something at a low price and you sell it at a higher price, and the profits are yours to keep. Now, if you want to learn more about flipping, a really good resource is reddit.com/r/flipping, but you can do flipping on various websites such as Kijiji, which is a Canadian Craigslist, or eBay. I used to do this a lot in grade 8, where what I would do is I would look and buy iPhones that are 1 or 2 cities down, and I would see that iPhone, and if it was at a low price, I would try to negotiate it down. And if someone was interested in selling me their iPhone, I would take that same iPhone and post an ad for it in my own city, because a lot of people don't look at multiple cities. So if someone in my city wants to buy the same iPhone at a higher price, I would go to the other city, buy the iPhone, go to my city, and then sell the iPhone for $50 to $100 more. And in that day, I would make $50 to $100 for about an hour or 2 of work. You can do this with a variety of different things, including electronics, clothing, whatever you enjoy or are knowledgeable about. You can find different places to buy it at a lower price and then sell them at a higher price. Now the second method to making money is going to be through an Amazon website called Turk. Now Turk is basically a place for businesses to put up different tasks that they want people to do that robots cannot do. So they don't want to hire somebody, but they don't want to have a program to do it because they need a human to do it. This could involve testing out a website or maybe just clicking a few buttons, but basically you can sign up as someone who actually does these different actions, and you can get paid, anywhere from a few pennies to $1 or more based on the action you do. And this can add up over time, and as you do more activities, you can unlock them, and it's really cool. It's very safe. It's through Amazon, so I would definitely check out Turk. Now the third method is not going to be through doing different, clicking and surveys. It's going to be through writing reviews, and it's going to be on a website called SliceThePie. Now basically what SliceThePie is it's a website where you sign up, and there's a bunch of different artists on this website, and you have to listen to a clip of the song, and once you listen to the clips of the song, you go ahead and you write a review about the song, and you get paid for the review that you write. Now one tip I have for this is you don't have to fully listen to the song, think about it, and then write the review. If you want to save time, just type out your review as you're listening to the song, and you can save a lot of time that way. I know at the start it pays very low, 2 to 5 cents per song you listen to, and it takes about 30 seconds to a minute to listen to the songs. But as you listen to more songs, it speeds up, and you also make more money per song. Now the fourth method I'm going to be mentioning is going to be done straight through your phone, and it's through an app made by Google, and it's called Google Opinion Rewards. And it is just a survey app, so it's very simple. You sign up and you can make around 10 cents to $1 per survey that you do, and you can do these surveys throughout the day, and it depends on the day how many surveys there are. But this is a really easy method because you can do it straight from your phone. It's owned by Google. It's very safe and secure, and you can use the currency that you get, and you can also use it on the Play Store. So maybe if you're someone who wants to make microtransactions, this would be the app you want to download, and this is the method you can use to make money, to buy whatever microtransactions you want, or you can have the money sent to your PayPal. Now in my opinion, Google Opinion Rewards pays the least amount, and there's not surveys always available for you, even depending on your location. So I would pair this with one of the other methods and just do it in your spare time and get a few extra dollars this way, instead of making it the primary method to making money. And the final method that you can make money online is through an application called StartUpLift. Now StartUpLift is a website where other startups are going to post their website and their content, and your job is to go on that website and to review it, because startups want to make sure that their websites are functioning properly and that everything is displayed properly, and they want real human feedback, which is why you guys can go on this website, and for every review that you write or every website that you review, you will get paid $5. So this one, it accumulates a lot more quickly, but you do have to put in more time for each review that you do, and once you do, you can easily make money this way as well. Now, as you can see, all 5 of these ways are legit, and they're all very safe methods. They're not like sketchy, like those weird survey sites where you have to put in your credit card number. These are all legitimate ways you can make money online, and hopefully you guys found this video helpful. But that's about it. If you guys did like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and as always, thanks for watching. My name is Ziovo, and I'm signing out.